One of the nation's longest-serving state senators has been indicted on federal charges of travel with the intent to engage in illicit sexual activity and receipt of child pornography. Charges against Ray Holmberg, who had served as a North Dakota state senator since 1976 before retiring last year, were filed Thursday, October 26, and unsealed Monday, October 30, News.com has learned. An arrest warrant was issued for Holmberg on October 30 in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Jail staff in Grand Forks and Fargo said Holmberg had not been booked into their jails as of Monday afternoon, the Forum of Fargo-Moorhead reports. The 79-year-old has been charged with traveling to Prague with the intent to rape a minor, according to a federal indictment unsealed Monday, and with one count of receiving and attempting to receive images depicting child sexual abuse, according to the indictment filed Thursday, the Associated Press reports. Holmberg pleaded not guilty to all charges and was released on supervised release, the Forum reports. His travel is currently limited by court order to the Grand Forks area, and he's forbidden from contacting anyone under 18. The indictment came 2 years after Holmberg's home in Grand Forks was raided. There, officers reported finding multiple text messages back and forth with a man who had been jailed on child pornography charges. The document states that Holmberg traveled to the Czech Republic with intentions to engage in sexual activity with a minor. The indictment did not specify whether Holmberg traveled to Prague once or multiple times between 2011 to 2016, the AP reports. The indictment also claims that Holmberg knowingly received child pornography. According to the indictment, Holmberg's alleged offenses took place between June 2011 and November 2016. He allegedly used aliases, according to the Forum of Fargo-Moorhead. Authorities say Holmberg was communicating with Nicholas Morgan DeRozier, who was in jail at the time, about child pornography. DeRozier had been sent to prison after he pleaded guilty to 7 counts of possession and distribution of child pornography in September. Police say DeRozier's former landscaping business partner was killed in a worksite accident while they were clearing snow at Holmberg's home. Several months later, the North Dakota Attorney General's Division of Consumer Protection and Antitrust put in use an injunction to prevent DeRozier's company from doing business. Investigators reported overhearing DeRozier on the phone with the Attorney General's office in an attempt to set up a meeting in Bismarck, North Dakota when Holmberg was there so they could ride to the state capitol together. At the time, Holmberg was serving as chairman of the Senate Appropriations Committee. He also chaired the Legislative Management Committee in 4 instances, according to KFGOAM Radio. Holmberg was first elected to office in 1976 to serve Grand Forks District 17. Assistant U.S. Attorney for the District of North Dakota Jennifer Pohl is prosecuting the case. Mark Fries, who has previously represented Holmberg, was notified of the hearing.